Hi everyone, this is the video for class 9 student. As you know that we are learning about parts of a computer. In this session, next topic is power ports and connection. A computer port is a slot on the motherboard that acts as a point of connection between a computer and an external device. Cables of external devices like keyboard, mouse, printer, monitor, etc. are plugged into these ports. Next type of ports. There are several types of ports which are used to connect various external devices to the computer. Most of the ports are visible at the back side of the CPU cabinet, while a few are placed in front. The placement of these ports may vary from computer to computer. Some of these ports are color coded that identify which specified type of device has to be plugged into which slot. For example, in PS2 port, the blue color shows the keyboard connector and the green color shows the mouse connector. Next, first type is serial port. A serial port is an interface through which peripherals can be connected using a serial protocol which involves the transmission of data one bit at a time over a single communication line. Usage. Serial port is used for devices that do not require high-speed transmission, that is mouse, keyboard, etc. It is also used to connect modems, hence are called communication ports. Next type is parallel port. A parallel port is an interface through which the communication between a computer and its peripheral device is in a parallel manner, that is, data is transferred in or out in parallel using more than one communication line or wires. Printer port is an example of parallel port. Each transfers several bits of data together at a time. This usage. Parallel port is used for devices that require high-speed transmission such as printers, scanners, CD writers, external hard disk drive, etc. Next type is PS2 port. PS2 port connector is developed by IBM for connecting mouse and keyboards. It was introduced with IBM's personal system (2) series of computers and hence the name PS2 connector. PS2 connectors are color coded as purple for keyboard and green for mouse. PS2 is a 6-pin connector. Usage. PS2 ports are used for attaching keyboard and mouse to a computer. Next type is USB port. USB port can be used to transfer data, acts as an interface for peripherals, and even act as power supply for devices connected to it. Universal serial bus replaced serial ports, parallel ports, PS2 connectors, game ports, and power charger for portable devices. That means in place of serial port, parallel port, PS2 connectors, power charger, we can use universal port, that is USB. Usage. Devices that can be connected to a USB port include keyboard, mouse, printer, scanner, flash drive, mobile phones, tablet, digital and web camera, etc. Next type is VGA port. VGA stands for Video Graphic Array. It is similar to a serial port connector, but the serial port has pins, whereas VGA connector has holes. VGA port is found in many computers, projectors, video cards, and high-definition TVs. It has 15 pins in 3 rows. VGA port is the main interface between computers and older CRT monitors. Even the modern LCD and LED monitors support VGA ports, but the picture quality is reduced. VGA carries analog video signal up to a resolution of 648 multiplied by 480. With the increase in use of digital video, VGA ports are being replaced by HDMI and display ports. Usage: it is used to connect monitors or projectors to a computer. Next type is HDMI port. HDMI stands for High Definition Multimedia Interface. HDMI is a digital connector that can carry high definition video and audio. It can also send audio to reference format. The HDMI connector consists of 19 pins. Usage: HDMI port is used to connect high definition and ultra high definition devices like computer monitors, HD TVs, gaming consoles, high definition cameras, projectors, etc. to a computer. Next type is Ethernet port. Ethernet is a networking technology that is used to connect your computer to internet and communicate with other computer or networking devices. The interface that is used for computer networking and telecommunication is known as registered jack, that is RJ. And RJ45 port is used for Ethernet over cable. Usage: it is used to connect your computer to a wired network. Next type is audio port. Audio ports are used to connect speakers or other audio output devices with the computer. The audio signals can be either analog or digital, and depending on that port. Audio ports are in three types. First is line in. It enables a user to connect an external audio device to a computer. Second type is line out. It allows external speaker, headphone or other out device to be connected to the computer. Third type is mic port. It helps in plugging microphone into the computer. Figure of ports and connection are given here. You can see in the picture these two ports are PS2 port. The purple color is used for keyboard and the green color is used for mouse. Second is USB port. There are 4 USB ports: first, second, third, fourth. This is USB port. This is serial communication port. Here you can see pins. This is parallel port. Next is VGA port. You can see they are in 3 rows with 15 pins. This is audio jack that are in middle. First microphone and last, that is third, line in jack. And a big port, that is Ethernet LAN port. It is also known as RJ45 port. This is your homework page. Write all the topics in your notebook given in this video and learn carefully. Thanks.